To be plus place. To be in the class.
To be in the class.
To be at home.
To be at home.
To be here.
To be here.
To be there.
To be there.
To be in Mandalay.
To be in Mandalay.
To be in Yangon.
To be in Yangon.
Not to be plus adjective. Not to be sad.
Not to be sad.
Not to be dirty.
Not to be dirty.
Not to be lazy.
Not to be lazy.
Not to be crazy.
Not to be crazy.
Not to be stupid.
Not to be stupid.
Not to be sleepy.
Not to be sleepy.
Not to be greedy.
Not to be greedy.
Not to be sick.
Not to be sick.
Not to be rude.
Not to be rude.
Admit plus that clause. Admit that you were wrong.
Admit that you were wrong.
Do you admit you were wrong?
Do you admit you were wrong?
Admit that you lied to me.
Admit that you lied to me.
Admit that you feel jealous.
Admit that you feel jealous.
Admit that you were stupid.
Admit that you were stupid.
Admit that you were jailed.
Admit that you were jailed.
Any advance in plus verb ing. Any advantage in buying it.
Any advantage in buying it.
Any advantage in selling that.
Any advantage in selling that.
Any advantage in going abroad.
Any advantage in going abroad.
Any advantage in coming.
Any advantage in coming.
Any advantage in reading books.
Any advantage in reading books.
Any advantage in studying English.
Any advantage in studying English.
Any advantage in talking to you.
Any advantage in talking to you.
I'd advise you not to verb 1. I'd advise you to get married.
I'd advise you to get married.
I'd advise you not to get married.
I'd advise you not to get married.
I'd advise you to go abroad.
I'd advise you to go abroad.
I'd advise you not to go abroad.
I'd advise you not to go abroad.
I'd advise you to stay here.
I'd advise you to stay here.
I'd advise you to lose weight.
I'd advise you to lose weight.
I'd advise you to sell it.
I'd advise you to sell it.
He admitted plus verb ing. He admitted stealing some money.
He admitted stealing some money.
He admitted lying.
He admitted lying.
He admitted threatening.
He admitted threatening.
He admitted kidnapping.
He admitted kidnapping.
He admitted bribing.
He admitted bribing.
He admitted accepting bribe.
He admitted accepting bribe.